What's going on today? Welcome to the Smoothie Movement, and I'm back with you talking about Keratosis Pilaris. So this is a skin condition where it's basically called chicken skin. So I'm going to show you how I treat it because I have this and I've been having it since I was a teenager. So I'll just take my exfoliating gloves and then I'll also take this African black soap, which has a lot of antibacterial properties to it. And I'll take that and I'll just gently put it inside of my exfoliating gloves, really get my jig on while I'm doing it. And just have a little dance, have a little fun while you get it foaming up in the gloves. And then I'll take it and I'll put it all over my body. I like to do it in small circular motions on my chest because this is where I really break out. I highly recommend that if you wherever you break out at, do it in very small circular motions. This will really help actually break open the pimples that you get on your skin and actually help get that medicine from the black soap inside of that pimple, so that way it doesn't come back. And I'll take it and I'll put it all over my arms and just make sure that I really exfoliate and get deep in there, and then also dance a little while I'm doing it. And so after that, I'll just rinse off and then pop a little bit that I didn't get because, sometimes we're not all perfect when we shower. And what's a good shower without getting some soap on your face? Because, you can't shower without doing that. If you don't get soap on your face while you shower, you're not human. So after this, I will generally take some castor oil. Castor oil has this component called rinoleic acid, which is an omega-9 saturated fatty acid. And it's a really good anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property to the castor oil. And always make sure that you get the creases of where you showered because, those get the driest the most. And I love this oil because of the fact that it really moisturizes, it locks the moisture in, and it doesn't make you over oily, and obviously it doesn't taste the greatest. So after you rub it in, just take a quick little rinse, get some excess oil off, and then enjoy the fact that you're about to not really suffer as much. So if you try this, let me know, leave a comment and subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and we'll talk later.